Traditionally, utility and energy teams have relied on helicopters for critical infrastructure inspections. Fraught with danger, cost, and significant environmental impact, this method cannot deliver the close-up detail modern infrastructure demands. The challenges are clear. Field teams climb dangerous towers for inspections, detect faults too late, and face long delays in post-disaster assessments. With assets dispersed across wide geographic areas, a more efficient solution is needed. 5G-enabled connected drones are redefining utility operations. Inspection teams now receive real-time HD video from hard-to-reach areas, safely and efficiently. When storms strike, drones can be deployed immediately, accelerating response times while keeping personnel safely on the ground. Live, energized equipment can be inspected without shutdowns at a fraction of the cost. 5G-enabled autonomous drones enhance security with 24/7 surveillance powered by multiple imaging technologies. When integrated with ground vehicles, these systems provide full area coverage and deliver alerts on real threats, minimizing false alarms and boosting response efficiency. Multi-sensor drone data integrates directly with enterprise systems, where AI identifies potential failures before they occur, delivering greatly enhanced operational efficiency through predictive maintenance. 5G private wireless networks provide resilient, secure, low-latency connectivity, driving safer operations, reduced costs, smarter data, and ultimately, more reliable customer service.